Here's a cow, smiling, or rather, a happy cow, raised under a special regimen. It relaxes with a private jazz band performance. Yes, you heard that right. Scientists have discovered that a happy cow produces higher quality milk. Naturally, a happy cow will produce the best butter in the world. Feeling hungry yet? Today, Captain Discovery will take you on a tour of one of the largest butter factories in the world. After seeing the process of producing thousands of tons of butter, you'll want to run to the store, buy ingredients, and make some delicious dishes with butter. So let's begin this exciting culinary journey. Subscribe now and join Captain Discovery's journey. Around 8000 BCE, butter was discovered quite by accident. People used to transport milk in animal skin bags on horses or camels. When these bags were vigorously shaken, butter was formed. Here's a piece of butter over 2,000 years old, believed to be buried in a bog as an offering to the gods. In medieval Europe, butter became an essential part of the diet. In some places, it was even used as a form of tax. Imagine paying taxes with butter. Convenient and delicious. In the 19th century, the invention of the centrifuge made butter production faster and more efficient, turning it into a global staple. Today, butter is indispensable in global cuisine. From delicate French dishes to American baked goods, modern technology has made butter production faster, cleaner, and of course, tastier. So how is modern butter produced? Follow me and discover how this factory creates over 5,000 tons of butter each year. Every creamy bite of butter starts from lush green fields, where happy dairy cows graze and chat about the weather. We need fresh milk from these lovely cows. Welcome to the modern dairy farm. The cows live in a 5-star cow hotel with soft grass beds, automatic baths, and 24/7 veterinary care. Sounds like a cow spa, right? They eat fresh grass and grains and listen to classical music. After a hearty meal, they head to the automatic milking system, where modern milking machines ensure hygiene and comfort. The milk is instantly chilled and undergoes strict quality checks. Here's a quiz. Do you know how many liters of milk each cow produces daily? A. 10 liters. B. 20 liters. C. 30 liters. Comment your answer. The morning ends with the collection of fresh milk, and the milk-laden trucks head to the factory. Stay tuned for the next step in the butter production journey. Once the milk reaches the factory, The first step is pasteurization. It is heated and then rapidly cooled to eliminate harmful bacteria. After pasteurization, the milk is sent to a centrifuge to separate the cream. The centrifuge spins like a giant merry-go-round, separating the heavier cream particles from the remaining milk. In just a few minutes, we get fresh cream, the main ingredient for making butter. The factory can process about 40,000 liters of milk to extract cream daily. Finally, we arrive at the most exciting part of today's process, churning butter. Fermented cream is put into a churn to be whipped into butter. Imagine a giant egg beater, but instead of eggs, it's whipping cream. The churn spins and spins, causing the fat particles in the cream to bind together, forming butter. This process can take 30 to 60 minutes, resulting in a smooth golden block of butter. The factory can produce up to 5,000 tons of butter each year. After churning, butter and buttermilk are separated. The butter is washed to remove any remaining buttermilk. If you're wondering what happens to the buttermilk, it's often used in other products like cakes and bread. The fresh cream is now ready to move to the next stage of its journey to become butter. Finally, the butter is inspected, packaged, and prepared for shipping. The butter blocks are cut into smaller pieces, sealed to maintain freshness, and then transported to supermarkets. According to the Environmental Protection Agency, the butter industry consumes about 2 billion liters of water and emits 5 million tons of CO2 annually. However, modern factories are striving to reduce environmental impact by adopting green technologies. They use renewable energy, improve water recycling processes, and reduce emissions. These efforts not only help protect the environment, but also create cleaner and tastier butter products. Thanks for joining us in exploring the production process of butter. Enjoy exploring factory production with us? Like, share, and subscribe to Captain Discovery for more fascinating insights into manufacturing.